So, life science staffing recruitment at Eastridge basically consists of a team that's local here in San Diego, and we partner with various biotech, pharmaceutical, medical device, diagnostics, contract manufacturing organizations, and even academic institutions across the country to help them identify talent ranging all the way from a technician level up to a C-level suite person. We can do this for direct hire permanent placements, temporary placements, temp to hire, and even for payroll candidates. We can assist essentially with any talent across medical affairs, clinical operations, research and development, biostatistics, manufacturing, you name it, as long as they have a degree, it'll go to our team.
Yeah, as Grace mentioned, we focus on degreed talent. So, really finding those niche skilled candidates that can be hard to find on your own. We target passive talent mainly. These aren't going to be candidates that are coming and applying to your job posting. We're actually going to headhunt them for you. And the easiest way to explain what our team does is we fill any position that requires a life sciences degree. So, as Grace said, entry level all the way up to VP or C suite. And we can help nationwide. And we've even done some placements internationally in Asia and Mexico.